The footage from the file named Instagram MP4 captures an automated manufacturing facility where a large robotic arm operates. While it is momentarily paused, a worker steps inside the safety perimeter fencing to adjust a box on the conveyor belt. Because the system was not powered down, the robotic arm suddenly restarts its programmed sequence and forcefully lowers its gripper mechanism, trapping the worker under the heavy machinery. A nearby coworker in a high-visibility vest immediately rushes over to assist. This incident highlights critical workplace safety takeaways. First, strictly respect safety perimeters. Guardrails are there for a reason, so never bypass physical barriers. Second, enforce lockout-tagout LOTO procedures to cut power before any manual inspection. Lastly, maintain high situational awareness to prevent severe equipment hazards. The video How to Prevent Tire Damage and Damage Vede a Kiel Kawaja si Mayosh Fersum Dupus Nupitsmusmusi Linky Din. MP4 captures a sudden, catastrophic pressure failure at a repair facility. While a technician is crouching to inflate a large truck tire flat on the ground, the steel wheel rim violently separates, releasing a massive blast of compressed air that knocks him backward and leaves him temporarily incapacitated. This incident serves as a serious reminder of workplace hazards. To ensure safety, technicians must utilize a certified inflation cage to contain flying debris during a blowout. They must also maintain a safe distance by using a long extension hose instead of standing directly over the tire. Finally, conducting thorough pre-service inspections on all wheel components is vital to prevent overpressurization. This incident in Bilibili, P4 occurred in a factory with automated rollers. While moving a steel shaft with a hand truck, a worker stepped too close to an active rotating spindle due to a lack of situational awareness. Within seconds, his clothing or body became caught in the powerful torque, drawing him into the machine's pinch point. A nearby coworker immediately hit the emergency stop button to halt the machine, while others gathered to free him. This serves as a vital safety reminder. Workers must always maintain a safe clearance from energized hazard zones and strictly follow dress codes by wearing well-fitted, snag-free attire with long hair tied back. Total situational awareness is required when moving heavy loads, and facilities must ensure accessible stops alongside rapid response training. This incident at a confined job site next to a residence highlights critical construction safety flaws. While a compact excavator dug a deep trench near the foundation, the excavation undermined the soil's bearing capacity. Combined with machine vibrations, this triggered a sudden structural collapse of the concrete wall and patio into the trench. The failure happened within seconds, trapping 2 workers inside under falling slabs and heavy debris. Nearby crew members immediately launched a chaotic rescue effort using shovels and bare hands. This serves as a stark reminder that contractors must never overlook trench shoring near existing structures. Proper shoring or underpinning is mandatory to prevent destabilization. Furthermore, strict safety perimeters must be enforced to keep workers out of unprotected trenches during excavation, and continuous oversight by a competent person is vital to spot early warning signs and order timely evacuations. Acne 3 sepe 4235 Vroegviet Mabeldoven de Maxescu 36 Futia Baby Esto 2 for you. MP4 captures a severe safety incident at a construction site where 2 workers used pickaxes to undercut a high dirt wall beneath an active excavator. This dangerous method destroys the structural foundation, causing a massive volume of earth to collapse. While one worker steps back to safety, the other is completely engulfed by the debris. This highlights critical safety takeaways. Workers must follow proper excavation protocols and never undercut walls without shoring or shielding systems. Additionally, maintaining a safe distance from unstable structures and heavy machinery is vital. Finally, wearing proper PPE and having a dedicated safety supervisor on site are essential to monitor hazards and prevent such trench cave-ins. The video titled "Man is run over by his own garden tractor." MP4 captures a hazardous incident on a street involving a walk-behind tractor. While a man stands in front to manually crank the engine, the vehicle unexpectedly starts and surges forward because it was not shifted into neutral. The man is knocked down and run over by the front power unit. A passenger jumps off to assist. While the unmanned tractor grazes a parked scooter and stops, the injured man remains stationary as bystanders rush to his aid. This incident serves as a critical reminder regarding heavy machinery safety. Before starting any agricultural equipment, operators must check the brakes, ensure the gear is in neutral, and follow safety protocols. Operators should never stand directly in front of a vehicle during startup to prevent unpredictable equipment failure. The incident captured in the video Asmunjan 4782P4 took place at an automotive repair shop where a team of mechanics was focused on their work around a service lift area. Suddenly, a white sedan unexpectedly surged forward, losing control and accelerating into the workspace, striking a mechanic and pinning him tightly against the lift platform. Instantly, everyone sprang into action. The driver hurried out while coworkers rushed over, working together to push the car back. The scene was incredibly tense as the team exerted all their strength to create enough space to release him. After a coordinated effort, the mechanic was finally assisted away, visibly shaken. This footage serves as a serious reminder of the vital importance of workplace safety. When working around moving vehicles, a brief distraction can lead to sudden accidents, making it critical to follow safety protocols and maintain awareness. The footage captures a hazardous situation on a public street where a utility crew was conducting maintenance work. While workers were maneuvering a large metal ladder, it inadvertently tilted and made direct contact with overhead power lines. Because the ladder was conductive, this high-voltage contact triggered an immediate electrical discharge with heavy sparking, causing two workers to collapse. Bystanders and colleagues quickly rushed over to safely assist them. This incident highlights critical safety takeaways. Crews must always maintain safe clearance and perform thorough overhead hazard assessments when handling tall equipment near power lines. Furthermore, workers should prioritize non-conductive tools like fiberglass ladders, wear proper PPE, and undergo emergency response training to handle electrical accidents safely. The footage captures a critical incident involving a large, flat truck parked roadside. After the driver exits, the vehicle unexpectedly rolls backward on its own. At that moment, a pedestrian in a red shirt walks into the truck's blind spot, is struck by the moving vehicle, and is knocked to the ground. The incident unfolds rapidly, leaving the pedestrian completely unresponsive while the driverless truck drifts into traffic, posing a severe hazard. This serves as a vital reminder for pedestrians to maintain high situational awareness and avoid blind spots behind large commercial vehicles. For operators, strict adherence to parking safety protocols is non-negotiable. Drivers must engage parking brakes, shift into gear, and use wheel chocks to prevent dangerous vehicle rollaways. The video captures a freak workplace accident involving a man working on the side of a large commercial truck. While trying to handle a routine task, his clothing accidentally becomes severely snagged on the truck's frame, leaving him hanging helplessly in midair. Recognizing the immediate danger, a nearby coworker quickly rushes over, using his strength to hold the man up and prevent a dangerous fall. Within seconds, other bystanders sprint to the scene to assist, working together as a team to safely lower the man back to the ground. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the critical importance of occupational safety and situational awareness when operating around heavy machinery. Furthermore, it highlights the incredible power of quick reflexes, teamwork, and the willingness of everyday people to step up and help one another when unexpected challenges arise.